Hello, my name is Smmary. My storybook. My life to die. My life to die. I am teacher. My name is Smmary. I live in San Calixto Norte de Santander. It's a small but very pretty town. I have 3 children. I am married. I work from Monday to Saturday. Every morning I do earning with my husband in the afternoon. I play a wheel with my young son. I prepare classes in the evening. I enter the university, read a little later, go to sleep. My last vacation. My vacation. My family and I went to visit the small town of North Santander. We were in tons of school and hot water. We were in Salazar de las Palmas. The town has many palms and also has a nice river. Salazar has a virgin and parent and is surrounded by water very free. These vacations were beautiful and fun. Plan and vision for the future. Finish my degree in English as foreign language. Made a master's degree in language to us the best English teacher in the province. To win the teaching competition. To continue working on what I like to my classroom innovating intellectual, my classroom intellectual. Thank you. Bye.